We got Rob, Luther, and Jordan here. We're going to be talking about Cirrus Software as it applies to building flow zones in order to set up FloManager. This is to maximize efficiency and micromanage your gallons per minute to each area. Each area being the tees, greens, rough, fairways, etc. The point of this Cirrus software is to ensure that hydraulic capacities are not breached. This allows for all pipes and sprinkler heads to operate at a proper time. So now we're just going to lead into Jordan's segue here for installing pipes.
Alright, so now we're going to go over to tab 3. We're going to open up the FloManager. This is where your branch will be built. You'll be able to see this after you build it on the map. I'll show through here. So we'll close this and we'll go open up our map. We already have a section completed already on hole 15. So we'll zoom in here on this. So as you can see, we have a pump hooked up and branches coming off. Then we have our sections all hooked up on our greens and our tee boxes. And we're going to show you how to build all this so it comes up on the branch that we showed you previously.
So when you're inputting branches, go to FloManager and add our new pump. So we're going to add our new pump name. We're going to call it Mega Pump. You can call it whatever you want. Our capacity is 1,200 gallons per minute. So you hit OK. Make sure your pump is selected. Slide over here because we're going to be doing 16 green. So to make your pipes go up there as on your as-built map, you hit Add Branch, make sure your pump is selected, and then click basically where that pipe runs. So then you name the branch, and you want to be extra specific with this, so if you ever want to know, you can just click on it. So this one is a 10-inch pipe heading north to 16 green. Because it's 10-inch on our friction loss chart, it says it's 900 gallons per minute, so that's what we input. If say you messed up or you want to move where a pipe is or extend it, just use the tool, move it around. So if you click on that, it would tell you everything you need to know. So we want this, say we wanted to continue this 10-inch pipe onwards. Just click on the last spot. You got to select the pointer to do that. Select another Add Branch and just click where you want it to go and then label it. So this one would be the same 10-inch pipe heading north to 17T with the same gallons per minute since it is the same pipe. So if you wanted to add a flow zone, hand it over to Luther.
So now we will zoom in on the green where we will be putting our flow zone in. So we will just move the screen over. So we will select flow zone. You can click anywhere near the area that you want to be putting that zone in. So we'll just select beside the green, and then you put in your flow zone name, which is just 16 green because it is beside the 16th green. And our capacity for that is 90 gallons per minute because we have a 2-inch pipe coming off the main line, which is a 10-inch. So now we will click Assign Stations to Flow Zone, and then we will ensure that that flow zone is highlighted blue, and then we will just start clicking on the sprinkler heads in that flow zone, so all the heads around the green. There. So now all our sprinkler heads around the green are connected to that specific flow zone. So now we will go and show you guys what it looks like in the tree that we built off of this map. So we'll hit the back arrow and then we will go back to the FloManager tab, and there is the pump that we added. So you click on the little plus symbol and there comes up the pipes that we added, the branches, and then the station numbers that are inside that flow zone. So they all appear here. And then another area that you can also find information is by going to the station detail under the tab 1, and then here shows all your holes that you have on your course. So we'll go to hole 16 where we were working, and we'll just slide over here, and as you can see, all that information that we just added to those stations are inputted. So it shows the branch number, the gallons per minute in that pipe that are going to that flow zone, and the pump that they are connected to.
Okay, so hopefully now you have a better idea of how Cirrus software can ensure that your hydraulic capacities are not breached. Again, building each flow zone to set up FloManager maximizes your efficiency and allows you to micromanage the gallons per minute in any given area. Thank you.